Hello, everyone, and welcome to an exciting journey into the world of customization and printing. We're thrilled to introduce you to our comprehensive training program, where we'll unlock the secrets behind various printing techniques and cutting-edge equipment that can turn your creative ideas into reality. Whether you're just starting your journey in the world of customization or you're a seasoned professional looking to expand your horizons, this event is for you. It's a chance to connect with fellow enthusiasts, learn from industry experts, and take your creative aspirations to new heights. Now, here's something special for all the budding entrepreneurs out there. We've curated a unique starting package designed to kickstart your business dreams. It's packed with essentials to get you up and running on your customization journey. But wait, there's more. We believe in making creativity accessible, which is why we're offering exclusive special discounts on sublimation blanks and all the materials you need to fuel your imagination. Our program covers a diverse range of printing methods, ensuring that you have a well-rounded understanding of this dynamic industry. From classic mug printing to trendy t-shirt printing, we've got you covered. You'll also dive deep into the world of DTF, direct-to-film, and DTF UV, direct-to-film UV, printing, mastering the art of transferring vibrant designs onto various surfaces. But that's not all. We'll guide you through the intricacies of operating a mobile cutter, making precision sticker cutting a breeze. Plus, you'll explore the limitless possibilities of laser cutting and engraving, where your creativity knows no bounds. Sublimation printing is another exciting avenue we'll delve into, opening doors to creating stunning, full-color designs on various materials. And for those looking to add that extra shine to their creations, we've got the flash machine, perfect for enhancing the visual impact of your prints. Ever heard of HTV, heat transfer vinyl? We'll teach you how to apply it like a pro, adding a personal touch to your garments and accessories. And for those looking to protect and preserve their creations, we'll guide you through the intricacies of laminating machines. Join us at Venue No. 382, located on Gal Road in Colombo 06, Sri Lanka. We can't wait to welcome you with open arms to this remarkable event. And here's a little extra incentive: like and share this video for a chance to win an A4 DTF sample absolutely free. Mark your calendars for September 4th to 9th, 2023. We'll be here every day, from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., ready to inspire and empower you. So, join us, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together.